The EMA 50 certainly is right now at $0.001. The $0.00074695 support level for spell United States dollar sort of is actually areas of strength for commonly an unpretentious way. Spell United States dollar for the most part is defied with obstruction level of R1 at $0.009609, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Bears control spells kind of current cost activities, which most certainly is very huge. 23 December 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through sort of spell truly token cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and truly attempt to respond to these regularly clarified pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for by and large spell token, explicitly is truly spell the genuinely wise speculation. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. Spell extremely token help and obstruction levels and so forth, which essentially is genuinely critical. In any case, prior to plunging essentially profound into the spell specialized examination, fundamentally let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,659,359,381 in an essentially significant manner. The essentially absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $54,944,631,622, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, showing that market examination over the last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,659,303,959,381 in an unobtrusive manner. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23% in an all things considered significant way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, in a kind of significant manner. BNB, the in every way that really matters, local coin of BNB for the most part is somewhere around 0.4 and as of now exchanging at $268.25, which by and large is very huge. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.81% in Esteem, showing how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, really in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions generally show that the market generally is going in a very descending heading for fundamentally present moment, exhibiting how furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.81% in Esteem, showing how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, or so they basically thought. As of now, an especially broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of shows that spell United States dollar especially is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.009609 in a sort of huge manner. Spell sort of token help and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which basically is very huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers sort of become more genuinely dynamic, and token cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these much of the time, truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is all things considered, transient cost expectation for truly spell token, essentially is somewhat spell a genuine. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers essentially become move commonly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally spell really token, spell, especially spell in every practical sense, token execution. The cost of essentially spell genuinely token, spell, fundamentally is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the specific beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week. So spell United States dollar truly is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.000960990, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, so similarly. Opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors truly become move truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unpretentious manner. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 sort of are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in a for the most part significant manner. Spell essentially token value examination generally spell cost investigation for 23 December 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time period for the most part made sense of beneath certainly further appearance how there truly are practically 103,446,920,678 truly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 which most certainly is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to fundamentally dissect the future development of the spell token. Showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market basically is going in an essentially descending course for kind of present moment, exhibiting how moreover, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.81% in Esteem, showing how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period. While Spells Williams %R marker by and large is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, genuinely signal especially is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that bears control spells truly current cost activities in an extremely significant manner. The spell United States dollar moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, certainly is demonstrating an essentially present moment in a real sense, sell especially signal, as the MACD line really is moving underneath fundamentally signal line which in every way that really matters, implies sort of bears especially are ruling on the lookout. Exceptionally further appearance how market examination over the kind of last 24 hours